Yo, it's Thomas Anthony from FinishBetterMusic.com, and today I'm going to be going over all the sounds and MIDI files in our new drum and bass sample pack. This pack is full of awesome drum and bass samples from my new single, The Scientist. Now, you can download the pack in the description of this video.
I'm going back to the start. I'm going back to the start.
I just want to give a shout out to one of my mentoring students, Nesso, who has been absolutely slaying it lately. He just signed his latest track to Confessions, and the song he made in the mentoring program is now over 100,000 streams on Spotify, and he just surpassed 100,000 monthly listeners on Spotify as well. He is absolutely killing it. Now, if you are interested in the Finish Better Music mentoring program, there's a link in the description below to find out what it's all about and how to apply. Okay, let's get into the song, baby. Okay, this is the project for my latest song, which is a cover of The Scientist by Coldplay, and it's a liquid drum and bass cover. Basically starts out all chill.
Tell me your secret.
And has a nice little build up.
Nobody said it was.
And then it drops. And then it goes into a second part of the drop.
I was just guessing at numbers and figures. Pulling your bird. Tell me you love.
So this is the basic song. You can take a listen to it. It's on Spotify. But basically what I have here is I have the chord MIDI. So I have the MIDI that I use in the harmony section of my song. So the chords. I also have the melody. So the main melody of the song, which is this one. Where is it? In this melody section. So it's a nice little melody that was written over top. And then an ostinato, which is this sound. And I have all these. Oops. So I have all those sounds bounced down from MIDI, so you can use them. They're in D minor for your own songs. I also have this atmosphere sound, which sounds really, really good. From all my analysis of liquid drum and bass sounds, a lot of these sounds are being used. So I have this other atmosphere, then this one. I have a little forest atmosphere in there. This is kind of like a rising atmosphere. Then I have the main bass, which is in D. Then I have the bass line pattern, which is in D minor. Now, as you can see, there's two bass lines patterns. There's one for this bit. Oops, that's the kick. And then there's also this one. So there's like a wobbly one, and then there's a straight thick one. Got those wobbles in there. I got this build loop that goes into a drum and bass build up. Then I have the hats. This was something I had trouble with, but I managed to chop up a bunch of samples and get these hat loops. Then I have my hip hop break stuff. Got the kick in there, the melody, the ostinato, little pad progression, piano chords, then the straight progression. I got some reverses in there. And of course a snare. So you can download this pack. It's 100% for free. It's just linked in the description below. And also, if you are having trouble mixing and mastering stuff, I have a free mixing and mastering bootcamp that shows you how to mix a song down from start to finish. Doesn't matter what genre you're in, you can still apply all the principles that you learn in this to any genre. I've been mixing down a house genre in this tutorial, but again, all the same principles can be applied to drum and bass, to dubstep, whatever. So it's showing you how and when to use the right plugins, why developing a mixing plan is critically important. We're going to teach you gain staging, how to process individual channels and the group channels, how to get a tight and control low end, and our mastering chain for clear and powerful masters. So we give you our mastering chain. And again, this is using only stock plugins. Doesn't really matter what genre you're using. So yeah, just go download this. This is 100% free. All you got to do is just sign up with your email and you'll get this 100% free. Now, if you do want to go deeper and you want one-on-one help, you can go over to FinishBetterMusic.com and check out our mentoring program, what it's all about, what our students have accomplished, and yeah, just everything that it has all about is on here. And if you are super interested, just click apply. It'll take you to this form where you just fill out your information, and this will give us all the information we need to set up a one-on-one free Zoom call. And during that free Zoom call, we'll provide you with personalized feedback on one of your songs. We'll analyze your production methods and define any areas that need improvement. We'll answer any questions about music production or the mentoring program, and we'll provide you with a custom blueprint to help you finish better music. So it's 100% free. You can sign up and we will help you get you to your music goals. It's a one-on-one mentoring program. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you download this pack, and I would love to hear what kind of music you've been making while putting these samples into your projects. And yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I answer all my DMs. You can hit me up on here at It's Tom Anthony, and just send me your music, send me your any questions you have about music, and I will get back to you. Okay, till next week. Peace.
Hey guys, my name is Oshin, aka Neso, and I've just finished the 8-week programs of Tom. And yeah, I just want to say that it has been one of the best decisions I've ever made in my musical career so far. I've learned so much. I couldn't imagine that when I started, really. And yeah, Tom really gives his best to help you reaching your goal. And there's a ton of way of doing it, but having a mentor is really one of the best solution to reach that specific goals. You can actually spend your money on a lot of things like studio equipment and just think like, oh, I need this crazy studio in order to make good quality music. But before having a crazy studio, you actually have to have a professional good quality music first. And don't wait to have your studio or whatever. Make sure that your music is professional first, and then you can consider having like a great studio or something, of course. Like to me, spending my money on knowledge, it has been really the best thing I could do. Now because of the program, I have like new banging tracks ready to be released, and I did all that with just my laptop and my headphone. And since I'm currently living in Ireland, I don't have like my bedroom studio here. So, but at the end of the day, you don't really need it like to make good music. You can just like make really good music with just like basic stuff. Yeah, and I couldn't be happier really to reach that level I wanted to reach. So if you're a music producer who struggle with something related to music production, don't wait until it's too late. Think about now, and really, guys, go ahead with this program. You really won't regret it. Yeah, I improve in so many ways in my musical journey. This is really the best program out there, and there's no question about it. So yeah, Toms, I really want to thank you again for all what you've done for me in this program. I'm so grateful, of course, to have found it. We just need more person like you in this music industry. It's such a tough industry sometimes, but having you as a mentor really did change everything. And I'm really happy that I can call you my homie after this program. I've learned so much, but not just that, I also met a really great person. So Tom, again, thank you. Peace out. Bye, guys.